Do you constantly feel cold even when others around you are warm? Your body's internal heat might be running low, and the right foods can naturally turn up your thermostat. I'm Allan Wohrnitz, a nutrition expert, helping people restore their health naturally. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful foods that naturally warm your body, boost circulation, and keep your energy high. Perfect for cold days or if you always feel chilly. Tip number 1, ginger. Ginger increases circulation and helps your blood flow to your extremities, keeping your hands and feet warm. It also supports digestion, which produces natural heat in your body. Tip number 2, cinnamon. Cinnamon has warming compounds that stimulate your metabolism and improve blood flow. Sprinkle it into your tea, coffee, or oatmeal for a daily heat boost. Tip number 3, garlic. Garlic improves cardiovascular health and boosts blood circulation, helping your body distribute warmth evenly. Plus, it's a powerful immune booster, ideal for cold seasons. Tip number 4, oats. Oats are a slow-burning carbohydrate that gives your body sustained energy. Your body uses that energy to generate internal heat, keeping you warmer for longer. Tip number 5, chili peppers. Capsaicin in chili peppers activates heat receptors in your body, making you feel warmer instantly. It also speeds up metabolism. If you'd like a personalized nutrition plan to boost your circulation, energy, and immunity, book your free 30-minute consultation with me. The link is in the description. A warm body means better energy, stronger immunity, and more comfort in your day. Start adding these foods to your diet and feel the difference. Subscribe for more natural health tips.